Let's explore a major difference between nematoda, also known as roundworms, and nematomorpha, known as horsehair worms. Let's first look at nematoda or roundworms. These worms are primarily endoparasites, which means they live inside their host's body. Common examples of nematodes include hookworms, pinworms, and heartworms. These parasites spend their lives inside their hosts, affecting various organs and tissues. Now let's look at nematomorpha, or horsehair worms. These worms have an interesting life cycle. As juveniles, they start as endoparasites, but as adults, they emerge from their hosts and become free-living organisms. So, the key difference is clear. While nematodes are primarily endoparasites, living inside their hosts, nematomorphs transition from being endoparasitic juveniles to free-living adults. Understanding this difference in lifestyle and habitat is crucial for distinguishing between these two groups of worms in biology.